Hello beautiful ones, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ada Beauty Skincare, the house of beauty. Okay guys, happy Sunday first of all. Yeah guys, I just finished from church and I'm on my way home, and I said let me just do this quick one because I'm going home to go and make my own special soap for my skin. Yeah guys, in today's video I just want to make avocado and banana with carrot soap. My soap got finished and I just want to make a quick little one, like 6 pieces. Yeah, just like 6 pieces of soap for my skin. This is not for selling, this is for my own personal use. So I want to make a simple soap that I'm going to use to glow my skin. So guys, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. If today is your first time of seeing this beautiful lady on YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, share this video with your friends, and make sure to leave your comment below and turn on the notification bell, because that is the only way you will be getting every of my upload. Yeah guys, so in this channel we do all organic. Sometimes I do promising, and in my next other video I think I will be doing promising. I'll be teaching you all how to do another type of promising. So guys, stay tuned and I love you all. Remain blessed. So let's go to my house and do this house. Love you all. Okay guys, so this is the oil that I will be using, and in here I have my shea butter, I have my coconut oil, I have my olive oil, and I have my armful oil. So I'm going to leave the measurements on my description box below. So, and this is my lye solution guys. Yeah guys, this is my lye solution with my carrots extracts, and this is the avocado that I will be using, and this is the banana that I will be using. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to match my banana and match my avocado together. So I just have to cut this. Guys, this soap is so nice. This is pure natural soap. You can use this on your kids. Yeah guys, you can use this soap on your kids. So I'm just going to scrape this out. So this is the avocado, and I will be using just one banana. Yeah, this is it guys. So what I'm going to do next is to match this with my hand mixer, or you can use your blender, your food processor to match yours. So I'll be using my hand mixer to match this up guys. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Okay guys, so this is the, I don't know if you can see it, this is the blended avocado and my banana, and now I'm just going to mix it up with my oils in here. So this is what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to match this first. Okay, darlings, now I'm going to add in my lye solution, and please make sure to protect yourself from the lye. And after adding in my lye solution, I'm going to give it a stir, and I'm going to add in my essential oils and my color. There is no need for preservative because the lye is strong enough to preserve your soap. So keep watching, guys. Okay, beauties, now we have a trace. I'm just going to mold my soap, and please make sure to wash your molder and make sure to spray your molder with alcohol, and please make sure to work in a clean environment. Yeah, guys, so now I'm going to pour in my soap, and I'm going to allow my soap to sit for 48 hours. Yeah, guys, I'm going to allow it to sit for 48 hours. This soap is nice. You can use this on your kids. You can use this on your face. You can use this on your body. This is pure fruit soap made with carrots, avocado, and banana. This is going to moisturize your skin and also glow your skin. Okay, beauties, now it has been 48 hours, And now I'm just going to allow my soap to cure for 6 weeks. I'm going to keep my soap to cure for 6 weeks. Yeah, guys, because you cannot use your soap now. You have to allow your soap to cure for 6 weeks before you can use your soap. So guys, thank you for watching. I love you all, and please make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video and give this video a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, and see you soon in my other next video. Bye bye.